Raion is the first VR movie production company to have a collection of CGI virtual reality movies designed for amusement professionals. This is our third year at Eurotraction show, and I must say that it has been a successful show for us. I can definitely tell we had a consistent growth over the past 2 years. At the show, we had a chance to meet our loyal customers, our wonderful partners, and we met so many amusement professionals who actually appreciated our work and the way we serve this amazing industry. We want to thank all of you to be part of our success, and you can definitely meet us and see us again in Amsterdam next year.